Okay, well, as you know, I was out of the office most of the day, so this was one which one of the team had picked up after a very frustrating time with Euro Australian dollar, I should say, where things were just going sideways, or as you can see here, it wasn't really doing much. We were getting in a little bit late. Anyway, boom, we had a very simple trade. The setup happened, the price didn't move below the entry level, so there was no decision making needed. And all of a sudden, massive. Thank you very much, Euro Australian dollar. It's those little things which make us very happy. Like I've said before, 80% of your annual profits will come from about 20% of your trades. It's just the way the world is. I wish 100% of our profits came from 100% of our trades. It doesn't work like that. Okay, this is the fun and joy of what we can see here. Occasionally we have a setup. As you know, we're not trading off the back of news. So whatever that news item was that had happened over there over the weekend, and I can guess, but forget guessing, this is one of the benefits. Now, imagine that went the other way. Hopefully it shouldn't and wouldn't, but that's one of the reasons why people close positions before the entering the weekend. That's entirely up to you. The upside is that this can happen as well. So I wanted to just show this as an example on the weekend side. Like I said, it hadn't been a very good time for Euro Australian dollar trades for the team who look after those things. But at least now we're getting somewhere thanks to this one. It's what often happens. You make nothing, or peanuts. Then all of a sudden, boom, something makes up for it all. Great.